Dear students, how are you all? I hope you are practicing well. We have seen work done calculations and related problems in previous video. Now we are going to see conversion of liter atmosphere value into joules and calories. This is very important. You all concentrate. Conversion of liter atmosphere value into joules and calories. Joules and calories. Conversion of liter atmosphere value into joules and calories. So which is very important. So we have to use this value to convert the value of W into calories as well as joules. Now liter atmosphere is equal to how much is there. For example, so one atmosphere is equal to, so 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton meter square. Now 1 liter is equal to, yes, this is 1 atmosphere, this is 1 liter is equal to, so 10 to the power of -3 meter cube. You have to multiply both the values. Right, let us see here. Atmosphere into liter is equal to, okay, 1 atmosphere, how much value they have given is, we know that 1 atmosphere value is equal to, so 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. Then 1 liter value, how much they have given? Yes, so into 10 to the power of -3, then meter cube, right here. So that a meter square and a meter cube, so 1 meter is left, right? So simply we can write it here, and one more step will come, 0.013 into 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of -3 Newton meter is left. Now see that is equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power of, this is -3 plus 5. How much is left? 2. So Newton meter is left. So now is equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power of 2. So 1 Newton meter is equal to what? 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. So instead of Newton meter, we can write joule. So therefore that final value of 10 to the power of 2 means 100. So we can simplify this value. So that is what the point will be, the point goes to here because of this is 100. So that's what 1 at 1.3. So this is joule. Okay. Then we are going to calculate. So we are going to calculate this value into calories, right? So here 1 joule is equal to 4.18 calories. Now the round figure of this joule is equal to 4.2 will be used, right? So this 1 joule is equal to 4.2 will be substituted instead of J joule. So that is what 101.3 instead of J 4.2 will be substituted like this. So finally how much you will get? The final value is the 42546 calories. This is joule, this is calories, right? During the calculation of work done and work, okay, during the calculation of work in that particular question, so if they want to, okay, if they are asking to convert that W value into joules, that value is multiplied with this 101.3 joules. If you want to convert the W value into calories, that value is multiplied with 425.46 calories. So now we are going to see some examples how to convert W value into joules and how to convert W value into calories. Students, let us see model question how to convert W value into joules and calories, right? So in the previous video already we have discussed this related problem, the similar problem, right? So here especially we are going to see how to convert a W value, work done value into joules and calories. Now see that, so this area is work done under the curve. This area is work done area, right? So we have a formula, that is what, so on x axis they have taken volume, on y axis they have taken pressure. So pressure how much? 2 atmosphere. Volume how much? 1 liter to 3 liters. So there is a formula, what is that? W is equal to P, pressure into delta V. Delta V means what? W is equal to P into delta V means what? V2 minus V1. In this way you can do it. So that volume difference. So V2 how much? 3 liters. V1 1 liter. Directly you can substitute, right? So here W is equal to P, how much they have taken? 2, right? Here and 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 into, finally how much you will get? 2. So this is equal to 4 is what? Pressure. Pressure means what? Atmosphere and volume in liter. This is the value, right? So now this value we are going to convert joules, right? Now see that. So 1 joule is equal to how much we have got? Already we have calculated, right? So 1 joule, how much value? So 1.013, right? 13. So directly you have to, without the conversion, directly we'll take the value. So 101.3 joules, right? So the W value is in atmosphere liter. If you want to convert into joules, it's a very simple. This 4 is multiplied with 101.3. So we'll do it. So that is what is a 4 into 101.3. This is joule. Now we can do it 101.3 into 4. How to do it? Yes, 2 and 1, yes, right? Okay, 1. Now, so after one digit point was there, so this after multiplication you will get 401.2. Now you can write it 405.2 joules. This is the conversion. This is the expression of W value into joules. This is joules. If you want to convert this value into calories, right? So calories, how much? Let us see that. 1 calorie is equal to, right? 1 joule is equal to how many calories? First of all, so 1 joule is equal to how many calories? 425.46 calories. 425.46 calories. This value is multiplied with this value. How much you will get? Yes, is a 4 into, right? 4 into 425.46 calories. If you multiply, how much you will get? Let us see that. Yes. Right. Here you have to multiply is a 425.46 calories, right? This value is equal to 1 joule, right? So 1 joule is equal to this much value. So if you multiply this 4 W value 4 with the 425.46 calories, then so finally you will get 1701. Okay, 1705.84 calories. In this way, so if you have any value, if you get it, the various value of W, so and you can convert into calories as well as joules in this manner. Thank you all, and see the video and share it, subscribe it. Okay, and continuous video will come tomorrow.